Hello Vanagon addicts, it's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. I know we've talked about these H4 headlight sets that we sell a few times. It's springtime again here in New Jersey, so we are going to install these onto our 86 Westie that we're kind of fixing up to sell. It had the original DOT lights on it. They were horrifyingly bad and disgusting, so I took them off, and I actually have already installed our new lights on this side, so I'm going to show you the process of it for doing it on the other side. So I like to start with this inner light here. Kind of note where this plug is. You want it to wind up in the back in the same location. You give it like a little quarter turn to release it. Okay. Inside here you're going to see this black or brown wire with a black plug, and also a black wire with like a clear plug. This brown one is your ground connection. This black one is actually your power. And you want to make sure when you are, hooking these up, this is your new bulb that we sell. And it has a red wire and a black wire. Okay. It's kind of hard to see because it's got this shielding on it, but you'll see when you go to get it. The red wire is the power. The black is the ground on this. LEDs have a polarity to them. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are, following the polarity when you're hooking them up, or they actually won't work properly. So when we put this in, you're going to see on this bulb it has a cutout that's like rounded on one side and square on the other side. In here there's also the same thing, so you just set it in there, the proper orientation. You flip this clip down, and then you just hook the clips under these little tab things right here. Sorry about the shadow, but I don't care. This is not, a movie. All right, so you got that clip. That's fully installed now, except for being plugged in. So plugging it in, you would plug your red to this clear one here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. And you want to make sure with this red one, it has this clear rubber boot on it. You want to make sure that gets fully seated in there and it's covered up by the rubber, because it's going to be live. Okay, so that's going to have battery voltage going through it. And then this other black one is going to plug into this brown thing here. It originally was plugging on here, but you just ignore that. Okay, so that was the original ground for this. Instead, it's going to the new bulb. I got that one with my one hand. Let's see if I can do this other one. It's going to be tight though. It's going to be hard. I'm getting really good at, doing mechanical work one-handed because you're videoing it. All right, there we go. I think it started in there anyway. All right, maybe hold on. Let me put this down for 1 second. Yeah. Sometimes you just need two fingers. What can I say? All right, so there's this. There's this. It's pushed down where it needs to go, and then you're going to put this cap back on. As I said, you want to kind of make sure that it's going to be back where it started. When you go to do it, you want to also make sure that your wires aren't kind of in your way when you're putting this back on. Kind of give it a half twist and make sure it's fully on there. I think it is. It's, again, hard to do with one-handed, but I'll double check it later. And that's back to where that goes. Okay, now you move on to this, which is the outer light. Okay, you've got this spring clip thing here in the way. Just kind of squeeze it together, push it out of the way. We do include this little socket. That is to go in this hole right here. Originally in Europe, they had what they called a city light that we have never used here. There's no purpose of it. They do put it in here, so I just supply these sockets. You can block it up. If you have one that somehow didn't get a socket from another supplier, cough, cough, you just put a piece of tape over here. That would also work. Or we sell the sockets. But I'm going to be super mad at you because you didn't buy the lights off of me. All right, so now we're going to put our bulb in. This is our LED, high beam, low beam. It works just like the regular halogen light, except for the fact that it is LED. So you just kind of it has 3 prongs on here. you know, you just kind of line them up, which was way easier than on the last one I did. This one, it's kind of being weird. All right, there we go. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Saved, then it was like, no. All right, but anyway. So now that's in there, okay? And then you have to do this. Give it a quarter turn. Oh my gosh, why? Just all because it's one-handed. And pull this out, okay? You pull the middle part out. Now, you have the ability to put this clip down here, okay? Get that hooked. And then that's where that needs to go. Now, the final piece of the puzzle is this rubber boot. This is just a dust boot. You're trying to keep, you know, dust and different things from getting in here. The thing itself is sealed. I'm sorry, I had to use two hands to push this on here. But it is sealed, so, you know, you shouldn't have any problem with water, but I always include this boot just because I don't want any issues or problems. So once you get this boot, you kind of push it down so that it kind of seals everything. Then you take this thing and you put this in here, and you'll feel when it kind of can slide in, and then you give it a little quarter turn, and now it's locked. And that's pretty much it. Now you're down to, oh yeah, one last item, which is this adapter piece that we also provide with our kits. You can plug that into this because, you know, this is technically H4 plug-in, but your Vanagon uses the 9004 plug-in, and so, you know, you have to have something to be able to adapt it over. All right, so that's adapted over. This is on here. Let me put the phone down one more time. I just want to make sure this one cap is on here properly. Sorry about this. It feels like it is. All right, so that feels good. Okay, all right, sorry, I'm paranoid. So now you're ready to put this light on the car. Again, you're plugging in things. So like this blue thing would plug into this. This thing here is going to plug into the outer thing. I've got it upside down. Okay, like this. I don't think there's a way I can do this with one hand. Let me set this on the ground here. I don't even know if that's showing anything or not, but we'll try. So, now you probably cannot see anything, but I'm going to plug these two wires in here to the back of this headlight assembly thing. And then we're going to try this stuff out, make sure it's working properly. And that should be it. That should be all she wrote. Okay, there we go. And they really only go one way. Let me bring the camera back up here so you can see. You probably were looking at weird stuff. I don't know what you were looking at. So I got this plugged into here. I've got this plugged with the adapter into that. And you just shove all this wires, you know, back up in here someplace that's out of the way. I mean, that's really all you want. Just get it out of the way. And then you hook that on there. And then it's up. It's in place. Okay, and I just need to put some screws in. You got 4 screws. I got them sitting over there. And that is it. Okay, so let me pause it. And we'll show you what it's like when I use the power. Put the power to it. Okay, we're back now. So I got this installed here. You can see the headlight is on. This is low beams, right? So it's just like your normal van. You got the outer ones are on. Let me walk back in here, flip it to high beams. Make sure everything works. And now you can see it's on high beams. Okay, on both sides. And that should be it. Now you can put your grill back on. You can, you know, align these things. And there is a website, Daniel Stern Lighting, that I like to use to do my lime on these. So that is, you know, 2022 latest and greatest bulbs that we're using. Latest and greatest way of installing this. If you want to order these, I'll put the link in the description. Please like, share, subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next video.